Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at multiple choice questions from calculus, real analysis. Let's solve a question involving logarithmic function. Now we've already solved one such question, but you will notice that the two questions are different in the sense that the answer is also going to be very different. Let's see how. So here the question is, what is the derivative of f of x ln of 3.2x? And the options are A 3.2, B 1 upon x, C 3.2 upon x, D 3.2 e raised to x. Now if you know the answer, you can just pause. If you know how to solve it, just pause the video, solve it and cross check. If you don't know, just proceed further. Now I mentioned that this question is different because of the position of the constant here. See, even if here it is 3.2, you don't have to be worried, okay? Even if it's a natural number, even if it's a rational number, which is not a natural number, it's fine. Now, if the position of this constant was here, that means, let me show you how. In our earlier question, the position was here, right? And how the answer was? It was 8 upon x here. Constant is 8. If the question had been f of x of 3.2 ln of x, the answer would have been 3.2 upon x. But that is not the situation. Here the constant is not outside, but instead it is inside the bracket. Can you see it here? And that is what changes everything. So we know that in case of a logarithmic function, if you are taking log of a product, you can split it into two terms. So ln of 3.2x can be split as ln of 3.2 plus ln of x. So when you are taking a derivative, in fact it is derivative of these two particular sum, and these two terms basically. So d by dx of ln of 3.2 plus d by dx of ln of x. But ln of 3.2 is just a number, right? And derivative of any constant number, that means it's a constant. Derivative of that is going to be 0. So this term will simply get eliminated. So you are just left with this term, which is d by dx of ln of x, and which you know is 1 upon x. So the answer here is 1 upon x, option B. So as I said, in such questions, be very careful about noting where the constant is situated. Had this constant been situated outside, the answer would have changed, right? And here, this is interesting. Irrespective of what constant you take here, the answer will remain same, 1 upon x. But that is not the situation in the previous case where we had seen that the constant was outside. So here in the answer also the constant is included. So depending on what constant it is, the answer will change. So be very careful when you read the question. So here the constant is inside and the answer is kind of, you can say it's a universal answer here that way. So it's 1 upon x, option B. Thank you.